Ay, sa wakas makakatulog na rin after how many hours traveling. So dito tayo ngayon sa Azalea Residence. Napakaganda ng view. Ayan, villa style. Villa hotel. At yung reception. This is how it look like. So when you get in, and that's the view. And siya parang heritage hotel. Ayan. Pag-isay na lang natin ang mga gamit. This one too. And also this one. There you go. Thank you so much.